Hey everyone, and once again welcome to Google Ads Course. Myself Umar Taskir. Guys, in this particular video we'll be talking about quality score, and we'll be seeing how where this quality score is present in our Google Ads account, right? So right now you can say that I am logging into my Google Ads account, and what we have to do basically is we have to go to this left side panel. Then we have to go to this search keyword section over here, which is present over here, right? Under this keyword section, once you reach this keyword, what you have to do is basically you just have to click on this and you have to move yourself to this search keyword section, right? And there what you will be seeing is you will be seeing the different list of keywords which are there in this complete account in all the campaigns, right? Just because we have not basically we have not selected any specific campaign. So what we can actually do is we can actually target keywords or search keywords within our campaign itself, right? We can go to campaign, then ad group, and then within ad group we can go to keywords, and we can figure out the keywords from there. Also we can reach to different keywords campaign wise or ad group wise from there also. Or if we want to see all the keywords of all the campaigns, that we can do like this also, as we did, right? So we have two methods. Now what we have to do is, suppose you are seeing different keywords over here. Now you have to come to this side, and if you will scroll it to right, somehow if you will scroll it to right, what you will identify is quality score is present over here, right? And what you can see over here is the quality score is basically out of 10, right? So once I click on this quality score, what we are going to see is there are different keywords, and each keyword is having a unique quality score, which means that now an important point comes into play, which is like each and every keyword is having a separate quality score. So quality score is there for the keywords, right? Quality score is there with respect to keywords only. So whenever you are studying keywords, you have to study quality score also, right? So now what does this actually means and how it actually works? Let me explain you. Suppose there is a user who comes to Google and types something, makes a query, right? That query is basically a keyword for you. And now if that keyword is present in your ad group like this, suppose if this one is the keyword which is typed by searcher over there in Google search, right? And then this keyword is also present in your ad group. This keyword is there in your targeting, right? It's there in your ad group. And now this keyword is also there in your ad copy, and this keyword or the intent of this keyword is also there on your landing page, right, where the user will be redirected after clicking your search ad. So now what happens over here is there is high relevance, right? Because the keyword that the searcher is looking for, it is there in your ad group, it is there in your ad copy, it is there in your landing page, which means that everything is very much relevant, everything is up to the mark, everything is how Google guides us, or everything is like according to Google guidelines. So in this case our quality score will be better, right? So whenever there is high relevancy, whenever Google finds that okay, this specific keyword that people are bidding on, or that this specific advertiser is bidding on, if it is relevant to users query, if it is relevant to the other places where keywords are basically present, Google will give you a higher quality score. This is how it actually works. Google will give you a higher quality score, and that thing we also discussed in previous videos, that so if you are having a good quality score, which means that if you are putting low bid also, then there are high chances that you will get good positions in the search engine result page. So this is how it actually works. We know that the formula for ad rank is equal to quality score multiplied by bidding. So if your quality score is 5 and your bidding is, let's say your bidding is rupee 10, so what will be your ad rank? It will be like 50, right? Simple mathematics. Now if you have very good quality score, let's say you have a quality score of 10. Now if you are putting 5 rupees also, you can easily reach 50, right? So if you are putting 5 rupees or 6 rupees, let's say if you are putting 6 rupees over here, so you are just putting 60% of what you were putting before. Like when you were putting a bid of rupee 10, and there was a quality score assigned to your keyword which was like 5, then at that particular time your particular ad rank was 50 with respect to this specific keyword. Let's say this specific keyword is digital marketing. Okay, digital marketing course. But just because you were not able to figure out the relevancy, just because you were not able to maintain the relevancy, your quality score basically dropped down to 5, right? But now here is the case where your keyword is digital marketing course, but this keyword is relevant, there is relevancy in all the aspects. So in this specific case, your quality score is like good, right? It's best, it's 10 out of 10. So if you are putting your bid like 6 rupees, then only, then also you will be able to get good ad rank, right? So this is how this quality score is going to help you. So the first point which we have to keep in our mind is that quality score is related with keywords, right? So where we are going to find the quality score, we are going to find in the keywords report, right? How our keywords are basically performing. So whenever there is an auction, right, your keywords get a quality score, and then there is a bidding which you have already assigned with your keyword, and those together makes the ad rank, and it actually decides that where your ad is going to land, right? So along with quality score, there are other metrics also, there are other importance points also that are basically taken into consideration while giving you rank, right? So the first one is landing page experience. How is your landing page, right? How relevant is your landing page? How perfect is your landing page? Then there is like ad relevancy, there is ad relevancy also, right? So you are having all these different other matrices also which are very much related to quality score kind of thing. So you are having landing page thing over here, then you are having ad relevance over here, right? You are having ad relevance over here, you are having expected CTR over here. Now what is this expected CTR? Expected CTR means that, okay, you, if your ad is showing up in the search result, what is the expected CTR? What will be the expected CTR? So it comes from your past ads, right? It comes from your past data, that okay, what kind of ads you designed before and how they were performing earlier. So if your CTR earlier was good, or if your ads or the account structure or the ad group structure was good earlier, then there are high chances that your expected CTR in this specific case will also be good, right? So if your expected CTR is good, if your ad relevancy is good, and if your landing page experience is good, right, that will constitute one of the very important part of your quality score. So these are the small factors which basically decides that what score you will get in your quality score metric, right? How much you will score in your quality score. So that's all about the quality score, and we have already discussed about the theory in the previous. So now it is basically the practical demonstration that where we are going to see the quality score. So that's it for this specific video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.